Hey creative, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. Today I'm going to show you how I use the Crio White Toner printer to create these super cute temporary tattoos for my daughter's cheer team. Now I did them for cheerleading sports types, but these can be used for any occasion. Bachelorette parties, birthdays, bridal showers, graduation, anything you can think of. Okay, so of course I'll walk you through the entire process, and everything I use will be listed below in the description box of this video. And if you like this video, you learned something new, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and make sure that bell notification is on so you don't miss any of my upcoming craft tutorials. So I'm starting my design in Canva on just an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, because that's the dimensions of the laser tattoo paper I'll be using today. And I'm just going to go ahead and grab a few different elements from Canva over here. I'm just going to go ahead and type in, let's do cheerleader. And I do have Canva Pro, so all of these elements will be free for me. But if you see something like this right here, no, like this one right here, and it has the little crown next to it. So if you don't have Canva Pro, you will be either charged for it or you can't use it. But if you have Canva Pro, you can have access to all of these. And if you would like to try Canva Pro free for 30 days, I will have a link for you in the description box of this video. Let's go with which one do I like? I do like this one. Let's grab this one. Let's rotate it 90 degrees. Hit the T on the keyboard, and we're going to type in CHS. Let's make it bigger. Change the font. I'm going to use this Varsity Game Day regular font that I actually got from Creative Fabrica. And of course, I'll have a link for that for you in the description box of this video, as well as everything else I used. And let me select everything and change it to white. Make it smaller, and then let's just make it fit. And now let's go ahead and group those together. And I'm going to make all the tattoos about 3 inches in height. I like this. Oh, this one's even better because it's closer to the school colors. So I'll delete the blue one. And this one has a crown, so this one is a Canva Pro feature. Make it about 3 inches or 2.5. 2.5 is cool. I think that's like still pretty visible, you know. Let's grab a basketball. I like this one. Ooh, I really love this flame one. Of course, you gotta get that one. Bring it down about 2.5. Let me see. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing, is just grabbing different elements from the Elements tab in Canva and just creating the different tattoos that I would want, well, that they want for the cheer team. Oh, I love this one. Gotta grab that one. Then I'll just come back when it's finished. Okay, so here are all the images that I want to use. I just used the basketball, added a number on there, got the little logo for their school team, you know, just customized it just a little bit or whatnot. So now we're going to go ahead and go to share and hit download, and I'm going to take this up to about I'm going to take it about to 3,200, at least 3,000, but 3,250 is good. And you need to do it with a transparent background, okay? Because when you print it out, if you don't do a transparent background, that white unless you cut like super close to the tattoo, that white will print and be stuck on them as well. Okay, so transparent background, and we're just going to go ahead and download it to our computer. Okay, so now that we have that downloaded, so now that we had it downloaded from Canva, I just clicked this icon right here and uploaded it from the computer. So now we have it. Let's just zoom out a little bit. Let's change our paper size. So go to page, and we need to do letter. Position our design and just shrink it down a little bit so it's not outside the borders. Okay. Yep, that looks good. And you know, the RIP software is going to automatically mirror it for us, so we don't need to do that. We honestly don't need to do anything else. Okay, well, I lied. We do need to go right here and change the paper to generic tattoo paper. Okay, so we do need to change that. Hit yes, and now we're all good to go ahead and print this out. So let's print it out on the Crio 8432 or whatever white toner printer you're using, and we'll go ahead and I'll show you how to finish it off. So this is the tattoo paper I'm using. It's from Forever, and it's a two-step process. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and print on this one, and it's called the A paper. You want to put the text side down, and on the opposite side of this is just a plain white sheet. So that's the part we're going to go ahead and just load it into your white toner printer. Load it however you need to make sure that the white side is the side that's going to be printed on. And make sure you check out the description box for a list of everything used in this project. And if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure you're subscribed for more craft tutorials. So this is what it looks like once it's printed. It does look a little dull, but I guess the water activates the color or something, because when you actually put it on, it does become more vibrant. So this is our A sheet, okay, and that's what I'll be calling it for the rest of this video. Now this is our B sheet. The B sheet is the adhesive. So we're just going to go ahead and remove the adhesive. And what I like to do is just start off with the little corner. Okay, don't take this and just try and put it all down at once, because once it's down, it's down. You won't be able to really remove it. Okay, so I just line up a little corner, make sure it's lined up really well, and I'll take a squeegee or card or ruler, whatever you need to just kind of make sure it's flat and get any air bubbles out. Then I'll remove that backing, and right here, don't second guess it. Okay, if you line it up in that corner, the rest of the paper will lay down correctly. Okay, and I just lay it down, and then I take the squeegee and I push out any air bubbles, and then I just make sure it's really attached to the A paper. And this is what we get. And of course, now we're just going to go ahead and cut it out and separate it. And when you cut these out, you actually want to cut like really close to the tattoo, just to minimize the extra adhesive that'll be there. And in the end of the video, you'll see, because I didn't really cut, you know, close to the tattoo or whatever, so there was some extra adhesive on my skin. Not that it's a big deal, but I guess just a little tip or something to make your customers aware of if they cut this out themselves. But so yeah, so I mean, you know how a temporary tattoo works. You just peel off the clear sheet, put it face down on your skin, and you take like a not soaking wet towel or anything, but pretty damp. You just hold it for about 10 seconds, and then ta-da! And like I say, you guys, I did this for my daughter's cheer team. But you can definitely do this for baby showers, bachelorette parties, just like literally any occasion, okay? There's people making millions of dollars selling stickers on Etsy, so just think what you can do with a customized tattoo. And as you can see, it's not going anywhere. But as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later.